I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check if your dish receiver supports the Dish Anywhere app, Chromecast, or HDMI input. Once done, connect both your phone and the dish box to the same Wi-Fi band. This ensures they can discover each other. Make sure the Dish app is installed and you're signed into the same account used on the receiver. If using an adapter, plug phone to HDMI adapter now. These are the first actionable steps to establish a path for screencasting or media playback. Now open the Dish Anywhere app or your phone's casting feature and grant microphone, location, or storage permissions if requested. Once visible, tap the cast or screen mirroring icon. The app searches the network for receivers. Make sure the dish receiver or TV input appears and select it. If it doesn't, refresh the device list or toggle Wi-Fi. If you're using an HDMI adapter, switch the TV to that HDMI input. This step establishes the active media stream from your phone to the dish or TV. Finish by testing playback. Play a video and confirm audio and video sync. Adjust resolution in app settings if the picture is choppy. Once done, secure the connection by closing background apps on your phone and locking the screen to prevent interferences. If the receiver isn't found, restart the dish box, phone, and router. This often resolves discovery issues. As a fallback, use a wired HDMI adapter. It bypasses Wi-Fi problems and gives reliable audio/video if casting repeatedly fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.